Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a beautiful 1987 Suzuki Gemma 90 Questo. Stunning little bike that we've had in a long time. We've had to spend a lot of work on the bike to get it to where it is now. It's running and riding absolutely beautifully now. Two-stroke 90cc, very rare to see in any sort of condition, and this one is quite good. 1987 bike, like I said, all original. We have original Japanese documentation with it, which is really lovely. I think there might be insurance docs and kind of information docs on the bike itself. Really quite lovely. Bike is also taxed to the 8th this year, only €26 tax. Original Suzuki key, and I'll just show you inside here just to give you an idea of the condition. So as you can see, look at all that original bolts even underneath. Really quite tidy. As I said, it's a 90cc two-stroke bike. They're actually really quite quick. It does have pillion pegs on it as well. Condition wise, very good condition for the year. You see, front tires basically new. All these areas, a little bit of aging on the front shocks. You can see there's a little crack here as well in the front mudguard. Up through the top, all pretty good though in the plastics. Same with the indicator lenses and front headlamp lens. Really cool retro 80s dial. Original mirrors as well, which is rare to see. Seat is in perfect condition. Still has original kind of Suzuki carpet that came with these on the floor, which is amazing. Really quite amazing. Rear pillion pegs, black engine cover on the left hand side, alloy at the rear is in good condition, new tire at the rear as well, and going all the way around, plastics all really quite nice. A little bit of marking which you may be able to see there, but again, it's all quite for the age, it's pretty good as well. So the exhaust as well, all very good. No signs of kind of rusting or holes or anything like that. Underneath as well, all really quite clean. And yeah, that's kind of it. The main thing with this bike is just how well it rides. So we'll move on from the visuals onto the ride along.